KTAuthentics Sports Member Cards Dubary is going to do box 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Box 3, good luck, Tim. Alright, good luck, Tim. 22 of 25. 2-color headliners. Player worn material of Odell Beckham Jr. It's player worn, but it has a date on it. It's kind of funny. Derek Rivers. Cam Newton out of 299. Tim, do you want your base out of here? Jimmy McNichols. I'll just send it. It's not a lot. Dubary. Jackson. 83 of 99. O.J. Howard. Matt Breida. Out of 199, Flea Flicker. Taco Time. Alvin Kamara, rookie. Todd Gurley, another Gurley out of 25. 17-25. That's our second Todd Gurley out of 25. Curtis Samuel. Leonard Fournette, rookie. And out of 49, Ryan Switzer. Gerald Everett, rookie. Juju on that beat. Next box, Tim. Chad Kelly. Out of 199, Thunder and Lightning, Julio and Devonta. Tiaz Tabor. Carlos Henderson. At a 299, Aaron Donald. Name so nice. Oh, does not sign it twice. At a 149, Taiwan Taylor. Rookie Stallions. These are personal boxes, Kenny. I have 4 left after this if he doesn't want to do any more. But yeah, these are personals. Let's do it. TJ Watt. Stuff has been very good. Nice. Deshaun Watson to 299. 78 of 299, Deshaun Watson. Adam Shaheen. Why did I do that? I always do that. Who's that? D'Angelo Yancey. And Michael Strahan to 99. Garrett. Jordan Lewis. Jamal Adams. Trubiscuits. Wow. 23 of 25. There you go, Tim. Mitch Trubisky. This case is fire. This case is fire. Wayne Gallman. Let YouTube catch up. What's up, Skinny Kenny? Well, Tim, I believe you just had a Mitch Trubisky in a $45 box, man. I gotta see what these are.